Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. If you have a vehicle made by General Motors such as Chevy guys, Buick, GMC or Cadillac guys, and you are wondering okay, if you can have your airbag light on after battery replacement, or you experience that guys, we're going to explain what can cause that now. Quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos guys on every car we get at the shop. Why? Because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully guys, we'll save you some money. Now if you guys need to buy any tools, parts, anything like that, we'll have the links in the description of the video below, and you can check out where we get all our things from for a very good price, fast shipping as well. So now we're going to conduct a test guys. Okay, right now guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to disconnect the car battery. Okay, and as you know, car battery guys, most of the times, 9 out of 10, you remove the negative cable first and then the positive if you need to. But once you remove the negative, it's pretty much guys a disconnected car battery, so we don't need to worry about that one now. Now, what we can do actually, okay, we can go ahead and reconnect it. And you're going to see some sparks. Okay, this is perfectly fine. Why? Okay, let me just tap it a little bit. Don't hit it too much because you can damage your battery in the terminal. But we're going to go now inside, start the car, okay, and see if that will activate your airbag light on. And we're going to explain what else could happen if you have your airbag light on. So battery is connected. Let me go inside. I'm going to start the car and you're going to notice, okay, what is going to happen now. Check out. Car is starting, right? Perfect. And what we're going to notice now? No airbag light on. Why guys? Okay, because Chevy has a self-healing system, and I'm going to confirm that with a scanner now. Let me explain to you what I'm talking about. Chevy, GMC, Buick, Cadillac guys, most of them, especially the ones we've worked on probably past 2008-9, because Chevy Cruze, they started that generation in 2008 worldwide, and the things we've worked on, we noticed that the airbag system is self-healing guys. What that means that if you find a problem and you fix it guys, the airbag light will turn off on its own. Why? Because every time you turn that ignition key on, what's going to happen? The computer, the airbag computer, is going to communicate with all the different sensors for side impact, seats, seat belts, and the front crash sensors. It's going to collect data, and if there is something wrong, it will say we need to activate that light on. So if you put a battery guys, and the battery has good voltage and your charging system is working correctly, your airbag light should not be off. Unless guys, the alternator is bad and your battery, okay, voltage drops significantly, that could activate the light. But after you confirm that you have a good charging system and you have about 14 volts while the car is running, and on most of them you can even check through the menu. Let me show you here quick. Okay, I think it was somewhere here through the menu. You can see the voltage. Let me see where it was actually. Okay, it's still rewarning the sensors. 14.8 volts. So you can see that is definitely good guys. It's 14.9. It's charging now. The only thing to check, make sure that you didn't knock any cables loose, but I'm going to explain for that in a little bit, so make sure you stand till the end. Now, if you guys have your airbag light on, and let me show you how that airbag system is self-healing, we're going to activate that scanner. And if you're guys on the market for a good, okay, reliable scanner that actually guys can read and delete codes from every computer in your car, and it works on almost any car you can think of, this is guys the one for you. Check out the link in the description of the video below. You can read and delete codes from every computer and you can see live data. Pretty much dealer level equipment without guys the programming, which most of you will not need. Now quick, just to show you which makes and models it supports, and we're going to go under General Motors. We're going to select our vehicle now. Okay, manual selection. Let me go back. 2015 passenger car, Chevy Cruze. It may ask which engine we have. 1.8. It's communicating now. Okay, perfect. You can see it's almost there. We click Other. We click right here now. Diagnostics, control unit, inflatable restraint system. This is the airbag module, and click trouble codes. Now we're going to have 3 codes. okay, because there was 3 things that I disconnected earlier on purpose, and I reconnected them, and I have not cleared the codes, and you can see right here the status of the code says not current on each one of them, and it says mute status. This is the airbag light, whether it will be activated or not. In our case it says not requested, so we don't need to worry, guys, about resetting the codes in order to turn the airbag light off, because the car will do that on its own. However, guys, if you want to clear all the codes, then you will have to click clear DTC, and that's going to clear absolutely everything. You need to make sure that your voltage usually stays about 12 volts. Ours is a little bit low now because we had the ignition on for a long time, but you can see pretty much, okay, that takes care of the problem. Now I'm going to go ahead, guys, and I'll go outside, and I want to show you, okay, if you get engine light, airbag or something like that, what to look for. Usually you want to check, guys, okay, on some Chevy vehicles you have a battery sensor that you might need to make sure it didn't damage. This is your battery sensor. Those are the fuses on top of the battery compartment. Make sure that each one of them is good. And sometimes you have wiring harness for front crash airbag sensors that could be very, okay, one there, one here, very close to the battery, so make sure that when lifting the battery you don't hit one or something like that. But other than that, everything should be fine. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.